Please don't beat me.
What is this?
Chicken ramana with the side of rice.
And, why does it look like that?
Like what?
Why does it look like that?
Like what? There's something I can read.
Every time I come home from my job of catalyzing what types of Ikea products we want to purchase, I expect a nice dinner, cooked fresh for me.
Yes?
What I don't expect is an undercooked batter of egg and darkness.
It's not undercooked. It's not undercooked.
This chicken is 100 degrees, and I know it for a fact.
No, it's not. I checked. Where's my dinner, man? Where's my dinner?
It's coming, sweetie.
Good. Hurry up. Wait, hold on. What is this?
Sauce.
What's with the sauce?
It's just a stew, really.
I come home every day after rolling up a boulder up a hill. And brother, believe me, my name is Sisyphus. And I roll that boulder, and you know what it does right when I get to the top?
What does it do?
It goes back down and crushes me.
Uh-huh.
Every day, I sustain so many injuries to kill a man.
At least you're not strung up to a boulder every day with an eagle eating your liver.
Oh, you wanna bring up him again? Why don't you go and marry him instead?
I wish I could.
Okay.
Hey. Hi. I'm looking across the street. I just noticed
You can't be in here.
your plants aren't looking healthy. You should water them. I want to go back. Jeez, tough crowd, am I right?